Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you a super simple way to open a password-protected zip file online. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Visit the website. First, open your browser and go to easyzip.com. This site is perfect for extracting zip files, even if they're password protected. Step 2. Upload the zip file. Once you're on the website, click on Select Zip File to extract. This will open your file chooser. Step 3. Enter the password. If the file is password protected, a prompt will appear. Simply enter the password and click Set Password to begin the extraction process. Once the extraction is complete, you'll see a list of the file contents. You have two options. Click the Preview button to open supported file types directly in your browser, or click Save to download individual files to your local drive. And that's it. Opening a password-protected zip file online is that simple. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.